Assalamu alaikum. I'm starting my day in the company. By the way, here is a calendar and I wanna see what's the date today. I think today is 14. Yeah, it's 14. Huh? What is this? Oh, this calendar is of 2022. I have gone back 2 years back. Sorry, I have to check the date in my phone. What's the date today? By the way, it's 14, but it's 2024. Let's see what people are doing. Are they fulfilling their duty? I made a scarf to hide my ears. It's getting cold. I'm on the top of the tank and the intensity of air is really high. You can't imagine because you are not enjoying this moment in your life. As I understand, everyone feeling really cold. This is welding helmet. Can we use this helmet on the motorbike? No, we can't use this because there is a dark glass in this helmet. You can see only sun and welding rod through this glass. You can see this glass is really dark. Therefore, my camera is displaying on this glass. 30 minutes are remaining in the lunch. We will go at 1 o'clock for the lunch. Lunch is for only 1 hour. After that, we will come back to the work. You know, my teams are joining this dome. Here are 3 teams which is working appropriately. One team is here, second team is over there, third team is over there. Overall, they are 15 person on this tank. It's time for having lunch, so we are going to our room. Me and my uncle are going together. All the members has already gone. We are only 2 persons left. First of all, I need to bring my bag with me. I can't forget my bag because there is my laptop, power bank, and anyone can steal both equipment. So my backpack is here on this table. Let's go. I have arrived. Let me remove my shoes. We are organizing our shoes in manner. This is my plate for having food, but it's really getting messy. You can see oil on the side of this plate. Oh my god, here is very crowd on the faucet. This boy washing his plate. Excuse me, side please.
It's okay, sir.
This is my uncle. He's laughing. Do you watch my blog every day on YouTube? I think my number will come after 5 minutes later. You can see how many people are here. You know, I'm not surprised having my lunch because I know it will be lentil and rice in the lunch, so I don't need to be surprised. Yeah, I already knew that it will be lentil and rice. I'm gonna show you now if you don't trust me. This is rice. This is lentil. Let me eat now, okay? We have started our work after lunch. I'm gonna show you something exciting right now. You can see tiny ladder. We are descending through this ladder when we are coming from the tank. We are descending through this ladder. As you can see, I'm descending right now. Oh, I think there are only 4 steps. It was very easy. Yeah. And it was also very enjoyable. I'm gonna bring the tea from the local shop of here. Actually, it's time for have tea. My teammates are waiting for the tea. We usually drink tea at 5 o'clock at evening, and he's coming with me. You know what is his name? His name is Bethpal. If I ask him his name, he will not answer because he doesn't know how to speak English. Therefore, I'm providing you his information. Okay, his name is Bethpal. I'm going to bring the tea as I told you. The shop is very close. Yeah. Oh my god, a big truck is going. Oh, here is a dog. Hello. I'm saying hello to dogs because no one is trying to talk with me. I don't know why. If I try to talk with them, they don't talk to me because I speak English. Here are lots of drinks as you can see in the fridge, but I'm not gonna drink because the weather is really cold. If by chance if I drink, I can be under the weather. Yeah, but I like this real fruit power juice, but I'm not gonna buy. I can't buy anything else. There are lots of desserts, burfi or laddu or cake. Do you like something? Oh, my favorite bunny is here, son papri. I would like to eat son papri. This is my favorite dessert. This man is staring at me because I'm speaking English. He's kinda confused what I'm speaking right now. But I literally don't care about people. I'm doing my work. This is my work. Here, I got son papri in my hand. I have eaten many times son papri in my entire life, so it's not exciting things to share with you guys. By the way, you can see how I open the package of anything. Bismillah. Amazing. I always like son papri. Amazing. We are bringing the tea as you can see in my colleague's hand. The tea hanging in his hand. Finally we have arrived. I know my team were waiting, but don't worry, I have camp. No more time. It's evening time. We will head from this work at 7 o'clock. Actually, we are not working lately because the weather isn't very well. We are feeling cold after 7 p.m. As I understand, it would be better that we should discontinue our work after 7 p.m. This is the balcony of this tank. We can walk around this tank. By the way, the balcony is really beautiful, and this balcony made by my team members. We have two halogens in order to work in the night. First is here, the second is over there. Now he's changing the phase of the light. The light is going in good direction now. Now everything is visible. Now our team members are not gonna feel any kind of issue because we have switched on two halogens, and these halogens illuminating entire area. Finally, I have come back in my room. It's night. Here I'm gonna end my blog. Hope you enjoyed this blog. If you enjoyed this blog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. Till then, okay, bye.